Welcome to Pew Kitchen. This is Patrick, guys. Today I decided to just get home and decide to make a quick pot here for the boys. They love Chow-Mein, so I'm cooking Guyana Chow-Mein. This is the Guyana vegetarian, the vegetarian real Guyanese. So it's Chow-Mein, so I'm gonna cook that today for the boys with my bell pepper, onion, celery. And then I'll put in string beans with corn and sweet peas that I'm making right now. So I have my Chow-Mein boiling there. I'm gonna take it off in a minute or two. It's good. And then I'll start cooking my vegetable to go on the top of it, vegetarian style. So I'll take my noodle off now. Let me just get a pot holder. Take my noodle off and put it to strain there. Now I'll do my vegetable. Okay, so let's start cooking. Now I'm gonna do my vegetable. Just test the oil. Need to hot a little bit more. Okay, so the oil is hot, guys. Let me just I put in everything: celery, onion, bell pepper. I'll put in the string beans now. I'll put in my corn. And then I'm using sweet peas. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some browning. That's good. Put some black pepper. Some flake parsley. And put some garlic powder. And some chicken flavor. Want to put some cayenne pepper in here for the flavor and a little spiciness. So I'm gonna add that to this here. Because the boys, them, they love the little spice, you know. You get it from their dad and their mom. Now put a touch of salt. And leave it here if it cook a little. I'm going to do this later, so I'm going to separate the noodles. By just sitting there, it kind of get clammy, but you see, I want to loose it up. Guys, so this is my vegetable chow-mein. No meat, vegetarian style. Guys, this is it. This is my vegetable chow-mein here. Again, it have string beans. This is the boro. It have bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper. We have some carrots in here, and we have sweet peas in here. There's no meat, vegetable chow-mein. All right, well, that's it, guys.